here we are, Buan Bajo. It's a city on the very far west side of Flores Island. Flores Island is actually East Nusa Tenggara, which is just a province of Indonesia, one of the many. And we're going to be here for a little over a week, hanging out, seeing the islands. Very clean looking little town, should be a lot of fun. And yes, this looks like a Muslim temple that we've seen all over Indonesia, but actually in this case it's a bank. Turns out this island is about 70-75% Christian. It varies a lot in Indonesia with the region of what kind of religion is being followed. But off we go to see more of the city. Here's a view of the city of Buan Bajo from the waterfront tower here. Hiking around the bay. Tomorrow we'll be boarding a boat right out there in that harbor and heading out into these islands, the Komoto Islands, numerous smaller islands, large islands, Rinca, Patar, seeing lizards, all kinds of animals, snorkeling. It should be a great time. Buan Bajo sits on a major piece of water for the harbor and inlets, so a lot of commercial shipping here, cargo, fishing, but mainly tourism, because it sits facing west directly into the main island pathway for some of the most known spots in Indonesia, often known as the Komoto Islands. Komoto Island is one island. Rinca, Patar, many islands out here, hundreds of islands that offer some great snorkeling, diving, climbing on the mountainous islands, the works. Buan Bajo is definitely a little cleaner, a little quieter than some of the other islands we've been on, but doesn't mean it's exempt from all the problems we've seen in Southeast Asia and Indochina with garbage in the water. Still out there, but overall pretty much a step in the right direction. And if you want a good contrast in how things work around here for tourism versus not, here's the old school little shacks with specializing in some kind of Indonesian food or seafood, and they're lined up down the street here. Meanwhile, the big hotel, the big Western hotel, is building some kind of a ship looking thing for a bar and restaurant sitting out in front of its facility. Take your pick. So the cruise begins. We are here in the port at Buan Bajo, jumping on a 3-day cruise into the Komoto and Rinca and Patar and all the other islands out here, snorkeling, trekking, it works. Should be a great time, even though a little bit cloudy today. We are moving out of this busy harbor, heading into the wild. All right, our first stop today is a little hiking trek and a little snorkeling in this beautiful, peaceful water out here in Indonesia. We are going to a little place called Strawberry Island because it looks like a strawberry. Nice beach, little climb, dip in the water. We are on top of this tiny little island called Pulau Kelor, or Strawberry Island, and you get a sense of, this is the West Hunisa, basically Buan Bajo city coastline and the island coastline. This would be the very far west side of this island. It goes for several hundred kilometers to the east. It opens up into this bay that we are going through today.
Sailing to our next snorkeling site. And it's absolutely gorgeous. There's dark clouds over there, but if we face the other direction, it's light.
Okay, we are at Strawberry Locks on the rocks next to Kalapa, or Island Kalapa. And anybody who knows me knows I love to snorkel and be in the water. And it's one of the things I really wanted to do on this trip to Southeast Asia and Indonesia. And today we just went on a snorkel here in this little place. And the most amazing snorkel I've ever had in my life. So many fish, coral, turtles, everything. Just crazy good. Just cruising through the islands here this afternoon. Severe thunderstorms and rain predicted. Not exactly what we're experiencing, so we're going to take this and run with it. Welcome to Indonesia. Well, we are parked here at sunset outside one of the islands, and flying fox bats come out at night here. And they fly around and into the islands to go feed. There are many of them in the sky. Thousands of bats. We haven't seen these since Siem Reap.
Trying to take pictures of the flying foxes that are going through the air right now, right above us.
It's dark because it is 4:30 in the morning. We are sitting off of Patar Island, one of the main 3 islands here in this kind of Komoto circle of islands. And we are going to do a hike to a sunrise viewpoint. It was like basically an Instagram kind of celebrity, this place. So here we go. More later. The adventure continues. Our small boat made it to shore with a million other small boats, and we are now in line to actually get onto the path to get to Patar. Well, we have made it to the top, at least as far as you can go on Patar Island. Looking at all the different spines that form these lagoons around here, it's really gorgeous. A lot of people, but it's a big mountain, so we're all waiting for the sunrise. It is getting close.
We have joined the masses for watching the sunrise at Patar. This is actually facing west. And we had to stop at the top of the trail, which is not at the peak. Come around and join a few hundred of our closest compatriots. There's the sunrise. I would say it was worth the 4:30 a.m. pickup to see this view.
The sun has finally arrived. It's climbed its way through the clouds and officially getting sunrise here on Patar Island. Beautiful day, full moon behind us, sun rising in front of us, and just a few people here taking a few 100,000 photos. The party is over. Only still beautiful views of the beaches and coves coming down the hill here. Sun is nice and solid golden out today. Good morning. Well, we are leaving Patar Island. The adventure is over, but it was a great morning and we've got a full day ahead of us. Snorkeling, hiking, beaching. destination of Komoto Island. This is the island most known for having not just Komoto National Park, of course, but the Komoto dragons, the giant lizards. You might get lucky today and see one. It's hard to see them. It's mating season. They're in hiding. It's a very big island and very few lizards. Our group is rolling through the village, being greeted by, hello, being greeted by our fans, some friendly villagers, some kind of a little talent thing going on, music being played, festival, and we head up on our 1-hour excursion to find dragons. Right. Okay, one Komodo dragon down. Beautiful view here when we get above the village of the harbor and this lovely blue water that's all over Indonesia. I'm getting schooled on Komodo dragons. 9-month incubation period for eggs. They live up to about 60 years. They eat their young. What else do you need to know? All right, big Komodo right in front of us. It's okay. Very large male Komodo.
So you guys want to take a more picture?
Well, here we've got 2 Komodo dragons. So I didn't really even expect to see 1 Komodo dragon today. We've seen 6. These 2 right here, lazy guys, a guy and gal, hanging out. Okay, we are having a good time. Pulling the boat in. Lunch, beach, snorkeling, coming up. 8 Komodo dragons under our belt. Good times. Alex and I managed to get the master suite of this boat, the only one they have, which means the biggest room with a little balcony off the back end. We're cruising between the islands here. This is a view from the back of our boat. All the boats that are heading from Patar, where we just saw amazing sunrise, to locations to snorkel and trek. Everybody kind of heads the same way. It's a big race. Wrapping up today's activities. Nothing, just sunrise, walking on Patar Island, visiting Komodo dragons on Komoto Island, snorkeling with manta rays and turtles here in the last spots. Now we are running away from a rainstorm. The rain is coming after us, but we're done with today's activities. It's party time. Drinks, hang out with the gang, nice group of people we're traveling with. No complaints. Wow, we are parked for the night, escaping a rainstorm. Another absolutely beautiful spot, mirror-like water, green hills, It's a diving area, lots of diving boats hanging out here. Meanwhile, in the distance, rain still pounds the shore, but we're set, man, we're set.
Fluid, Nana, fluid, Nana, fluid, fluid. Fluid. Fluid lagi. Oh.
Well, day 3 and the cruise is over. We're making our way back into Buan Bajo port. Sadly, I missed today because of a little food poisoning or something, but you know, this happens when you travel. So Alex had a good time snorkeling with the crew and everybody else, so good days, good days. Overall, fantastic trip in Indonesia. So Flores Island, like many of the islands in Indonesia, are very hilly, which makes for some difficult commuting, traveling, getting around, but also offers up things like this. There you are, Buan Bajo, the harbor, looking pretty much west, and you can see why people want to come here. Here you're looking out over the main harbor. A lot of tourism boats out there. People jump on these boats and go out in the Komoto Islands area for a day, 2 days, 3 days. Interesting thing about Indonesia is that tourism is a big deal here, big money maker. Tours of all kinds make a lot of money. And there are a lot of tour shops. In fact, every shop seems to be a tour shop. You could be buying groceries and they offer you a tour. Buy a burger, they offer you a tour. Go into a store and buy batteries. And they say, what are you doing tomorrow? And you say, I don't know. And they say, here's some tours. Would you like to go? Everybody's got a connection to sell and a place to go. Well, here we are. Last night in Buan Bajo, sitting up in the Komoto Harbor Hotel rooftop restaurant and pool. Soaking in the day, with some prayers over the intercom in the city. It's been a good stay. Let me give you an idea of what tonight's view looks like. Yep, the sun is just dropping down to the west there over one of the bluffs. The harbor is starting to look nice and calm for the night.